Namaste, I am from India. Always I say Namaste. Today in this video, I am going to teach you what are part there inside the laptop, what is laptop, why use laptop, what thing we can do with the laptop, lot of a thing. If you want to know A to Z about the laptop basic, please watch full video. You will learn lot of a thing. And if you come first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Whenever I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start today. See, we see in the market different size of laptop. Sometimes we see laptop in a 10-inch size. My mean to say is that screen size like this is a 10-inch. Sometimes you will see the 12-inch, 13-inch, 14-inch, 15-inch, 17-inch. That is a size. If you go to the computer shop and you say I want to buy a laptop, the shopkeeper will ask you which size laptop you want. You will say I want a laptop with a 14-inch. The shopkeeper will show the laptop in the 14-inch. Understood? The size is called the how many inch laptop you want. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing, what processor you want in the laptop. See, we are a human being. There are a lot of organ in the body, like eye is there, like hand is there, leg is there, hair is there. And same many parts are there in the laptop. The main part of the laptop is called CPU. That is a central processing unit. Okay, that run on this. There are mainly two companies in the world. That one is the Intel company and one is the AMD company that make a CPU. Always in the India we use the Intel based company processor. Like we want to buy the laptop, we say I want to buy the laptop in 14-inch. Then we say we want to buy the Intel based machine. In the Intel based machine you will get the Core i3, you will get the Core i5 based CPU, you will get the Core i7 based CPU. Okay, that is the format of the CPU, like Core i3, Core i5 and Core i7. Core i3 is a starting level in that core processor, and Core i5 is a little bit upper and Core i7 is a little bit better. Okay, if you want to work for the office use, for you want to use for the online classes, you can go for the Core i3. Okay, one is screen, second is processor, that is Core i3, you can go for that. And one more thing is that important is RAM. You must have heard about the ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory. If you go for the RAM, always buy the laptop with the 4 GB RAM, and you can want to spend more money, you can buy the laptop with the 8 GB RAM also. That is the thing. And then you want to how much you want to storage device in a laptop. Suppose you want to save a photo, you want to save a data, you want to save a document, you need lot of space. As you see in the mobile phone, you get the internal 8 GB memory, you get the 16 GB memory. Same way in the hard disk, you have to buy the laptop with a more and more storage device. Suppose if I buy the laptop with the Core i3, the 14 screen size and 4 GB RAM, I go to the shopkeeper and say that I want to buy the 1 TB hard disk in my laptop. 1 TB, man, this is called the hard disk. Okay, see, this is the SATA HDD. You go with the 1 TB hard disk. It means that you are going to save lot of data in your laptop. Okay, that is clear. And laptop come with the inbuilt camera. You can see this inbuilt camera is it. When you do the chatting online, when you want to attend the online classes, that camera inbuilt. One more thing is that laptop is a portable. You want to carry a laptop one place to other place, you can carry it, because you know there is a one internal battery. You see, I have not connected any cable with this, still laptop is running. See, okay, and there is a battery inside this. When battery is discharged, you have to charge with the power cable. This is adapter. With this you can charge a laptop. Laptop battery because mainly you get the 2 hour to 4 hour. You can carry the laptop one place to different places. Is that clear to you? One more thing is that you will get in this laptop DVD writer. If you have a DVD and CD and DVD you want to play the DVD and CD, you insert here and you can play the DVD and CD. Okay. In the laptop you will get normally 3 port or 4 port USB port. Suppose you want to connect the keyboard, external keyboard. Already the keyboard is there, but you want to connect the external keyboard, you can connect it. There is a USB port is there. You see, this port is called the USB port, Universal Serial Bus. With this you can connect your mouse. With this you can connect your pen drive, you can connect your mobile phone, keyboard, extra you can connect it. Suppose you are not happy with the sound of the laptop, sound is quality is better but low, you can connect the external speaker, you can connect it with this external speaker with this, and you can listen more music and you can make it. And you want to connect with the mobile phone, you can connect with the USB cable. These are the things. USB cable are there. Now you want to connect one extra monitor with the laptop. There is one HDMI port is there. HDMI port or VGA port. This is called the HDMI port is there. You can connect with the laptop. This is the thing very important. And last thing is that which operating system is in your laptop. That is very important. Suppose if I buy the laptop, always buy the laptop with the latest operating system. Operating system like we are the human being and this is a object. I want to talk with this guy. Suppose I want to talk with this and message to each other. Suppose if I say anything, that is called operating system, by which we can talk to each other. So when you go to buy the laptop, always talk to your shopkeeper. I want to buy the license window and give me window with the window 10 or window 11. That is a thing. Okay, so I think someone asks you what is laptop. You tell that laptop is a one is a portable device we can carry one place to other place, and here we can do the online classes. Lot of things is there, and I think this is the basic information I made for you. And if you like this video, please comment it, and if you like too much, please share it. Lot of people in the world do not know very good English and do not know lot of things about laptop. They must learn something about this. Okay, if you like this, please comment and share it. Again I say namaste to all of you.